Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. Today we're taking a deep dive into the Vitamix A2500 Ascent Series Smart Blender, a powerhouse in the world of blenders. If you've been in the market for a blender that offers more than just simple blending, you'll want to hear what this one has to offer. From smoothies to soups and even frozen desserts, the A2500 promises professional-grade results with plenty of high-tech features. Let's take a closer look. The Vitamix A2500 is part of the Ascent series, a line known for its blend of advanced features and user-friendly design. This particular model comes with a 64-ounce low-profile container, which makes it a great option for larger batches without taking up too much space. Whether you're preparing your daily smoothie or a hot soup, the A2500 offers 3 pre-programmed settings to make it easier than ever. These settings, smoothies, hot soups, and frozen desserts, ensure that with the press of a button, your blender will do all the hard work for you. The real star here, however, is the wireless connectivity. The motor base can automatically adjust program settings based on the container size you've chosen. This feature is part of the self-detect technology, which can also adjust blending times to ensure optimal results every time. Along with the motor base, the A2500 includes the 64-ounce container, a tamper to help move ingredients around, and a simply blending cookbook to inspire your next culinary adventure. When you first unbox the Vitamix A2500, setting it up is a breeze. The design is sleek and intuitive, with minimal assembly required. Once you plug it in and choose your container size, the digital timer comes into play, removing all the guesswork from the blending process. I used it for a few different recipes to test out the different program settings. The smoothie setting made quick work of frozen fruits and greens, blending everything into a perfectly smooth, creamy texture with no chunks. The hot soup setting was equally impressive. I blended a batch of vegetable soup, and within minutes the soup was smooth and piping hot. And when I tested the frozen dessert setting with a batch of frozen berries, it was able to whip them into a creamy, sorbet-like consistency without any issues. The real standout feature, in my opinion, is the variable speed control and pulse feature. It gives you complete control over the texture of your creations, allowing for more customization depending on what you're making. I used it when blending a batch of chunky salsa, and I was able to adjust the speed to get just the right level of smoothness without turning it into a puree. The pulse function was equally useful, especially for recipes like salsas or dips, where you want to control the consistency without overblending. Now it's time to weigh the pros and cons of this blender. First, the pros. The Ascent A2500's wireless connectivity is a game changer. It automatically detects the container size and adjusts the blending settings accordingly, which means less effort and more consistency in your results. The pre-programmed settings are a huge time saver, making it perfect for busy mornings when you don't want to fuss with settings. The build quality is top-notch as expected from Vitamix, solid, durable, and easy to clean. And if you're into customization, the ability to pair it with other self-detect containers is fantastic, as it allows you to build a more versatile blending system over time. On the flip side, the cons are pretty minor, but worth noting. The A2500 is on the pricier side compared to some blenders on the market, which might put it out of reach for budget-conscious buyers. Also, the 64-ounce container is great for most uses, but if you often blend small quantities, you might find it a little oversized for your needs. Lastly, while it's not overly loud, the A2500 does produce a fair bit of noise, especially when blending harder ingredients like frozen fruits or ice. In terms of value for money, the Vitamix A2500 offers a solid balance between performance and price, though it's definitely an investment. If you're comparing it to other high-end blenders, such as the Blendtec Designer series or the Ninja Foodi Power Blender, the A2500 holds up very well. It provides a smoother blend, has a more reliable build, and is packed with additional features like the wireless connectivity and the self-detect technology. That said, if you're just looking for a basic blender to make smoothies, there are definitely cheaper options available that might suit your needs without breaking the bank. Let's talk about build quality and longevity. Vitamix is known for creating blenders that last, and the A2500 is no exception. The motor base is sturdy and built to withstand frequent use, and the 64-ounce container is made of high-quality plastic that's both durable and lightweight. While I haven't had the A2500 long enough to speak to long-term reliability, Vitamix has a strong reputation for producing long-lasting products, so I have no reason to doubt that this blender will continue to perform well for years to come. As for customer support, Vitamix generally has a reputation for excellent service. While I haven't had to interact with their customer support directly, their website offers a wealth of resources, including troubleshooting tips and a warranty policy, which is always a good sign when investing in a high-end appliance like this one. When it comes to updates, there's nothing to mention here. The A2500 is a relatively simple appliance in terms of software, and while it does feature wireless connectivity for self-detect technology, there are no major updates to speak of at this time. Wrapping up, the Vitamix A2500 is a powerful, versatile blender that lives up to its professional grade claims. It's not for everyone, especially if you're looking for a budget-friendly option. But for those who want a blender that can handle everything from smoothies to hot soups with precision and ease, this model is definitely worth considering. Its blend of high-tech features, solid build quality, and consistent performance make it a solid choice for anyone looking to take their blending game to the next level. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on the Vitamix A2500, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next review. Until next time, keep blending your way to greatness with Reviews Inside TV.